Hello and welcome to Terry's Tesla. This is part 3 of my multi-part series on things I wish I'd known on day 1 that I got my Tesla. So I did part 1, I did part 2, this is now part 3. So these are things that either I wish I'd known or my friends wish they'd known. And when I tell them like, hey, did you know you could do this? And they're like, oh my God, I had no idea. So that's what this video series is all about. So let's get to it. We already did part 1 and part 2. You kind of know how this goes. Let's go. All right, let's talk climate control. On the Model 3, the cool thing is that there are no physical louvers. You actually do everything from the climate control screen. Just move things up, down, left or right. And also it's a good idea just to keep things on auto and it will manage the temperature. However, when you get out of the car, you can actually leave the climate on. That's a benefit of driving electric. And if you have a dog, you can now switch to the new dog mode. When you get out of the car, people will see that your car is cool or warm for your beloved animal that you left in the car. One of my friends was telling me how when he first got his Tesla, he didn't realize the icons at the top were actual buttons that you can tap on. So for example, you can tap to bring up your Easter eggs and information about your car. You can tap to bring up your home link controls to open your garage doors or gates. You can also tap to bring up your charging information, charging status, and open your charge door. And most important, you can lock and unlock your car by tapping the lock icon at the top of the screen. The next time you're on the phone, instead of using the right scroll wheel to scroll up and down to mute or put the caller on hold, just press the left scroll wheel one time. That'll put phone calls on hold and it'll also pause your music playback. This is a great tip that I wish I'd known on day 1. For faster software and map updates, next time tap your LTE and connect to your home Wi-Fi. Sometimes road and traffic conditions just aren't good for doing auto steer. However, you can use the next best thing, which is traffic-aware cruise control. This will maintain your speed, keep the distance between you and the car in front of you, brake when it needs to. Basically, it'll do everything that auto steer does except steering. So if you want to get into traffic-aware cruise control, just hit your autopilot stalk just once instead of twice, and that will put you in traffic-aware cruise control. You're still in control of the steering, but the car will maintain the speed, distance, and again, brake when it needs to if the car in front of you is slowing down. Great feature if you don't want to do autopilot. Well, I hope you enjoyed this series. Thanks for watching, and for more Tesla videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel at terrywhite.tv. And of course, if you're thinking about buying a Tesla, use my referral code so that we both get free supercharging. And also, don't forget to follow my Instagram at Terry's Tesla. Cheers, everybody. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.